Unlock the secrets of intermittent fasting. A groundbreaking study from Germany reveals how intermittent fasting influences key processes in our bodies. Conducted with healthy young males fasting for 17 to 19 hours daily, the research offers fascinating insights. Key findings. Boosting autophagy. Autophagy, the body's natural cleanup process, saw a significant increase. This helps in maintaining cellular health by recycling damaged components. Inflammation modulation. Initial increase in inflammasome activity, followed by a long-term anti-inflammatory effect. This means fasting could help in reducing chronic inflammation. Anti-aging effects. Decreased markers of cellular aging, senescence, suggest that fasting may help delay the aging process. Youthful cells, longer life. Gene expression. Significant changes in genes related to autophagy, ATG5, ULK1, BCN1, inflammation, NLRP3, IL-1 beta, TNF-alpha, and senescence, P16INK4A, P21, P53, highlighting the deep cellular impact of fasting. Embrace intermittent fasting for a healthier, longer life. Dive into the science behind how fasting rejuvenates your body at the cellular level. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more beneficial information.